as we move into drier weather, the concern for wildfires grows.
5 counties are in burn bans right now, half the state under a wildfire danger.
THV 11's Ashley Godwin went down to Watson Chapel, where just today they dealt with wildfires for the first time this season.
It's been the first day in a while that we've had 2 woods fires at the same time.
Watson Chapel is under a wildfire danger. Monday afternoon, they got a call for 2 brush fires. One of those was off Sorrells Road near the railroad tracks.
It's unknown how it started.
So we're about where we would normally be.
Robert with the Department of Agriculture says this year has been pretty typical for wildfires in Arkansas, and this is about the time we see the weather dry out. But this comes after last year, where Arkansas saw a higher than average number for wildfires.
It was the most active year we'd had in a long time.
Watson Chapel was one of those areas that saw significant fire threats. People evacuated from their homes, but thankfully there was no structure damage.
I've been doing this for 20 years, and last year is the worst as far as having to evacuate people and it threatening houses that I've ever dealt with.
That's why the fire department is preparing and hoping the people at home prepare too.
Just a tiny spark from anything will cause it to go out of control, and then before you know it, we got a 100-acre fire we're dealing with.
Those 5 counties under a burn ban are White, Hempstead, Miller, Lafayette, and Chico. More could be added as the weather continues to heat up with little rainfall.